shot an intro like that in a very long time. And quite frankly, I miss that. And we haven't really like caught up in quite a while. I feel like it's been a pretty long time since I've done just a vlog of hanging out. And I need that, and I want that. And quite frankly, I just feel like we're on two different pages right now. Lately, I've really felt, I don't know if overwhelmed is the word, but I've just felt really stressed out when filming, and I've been feeling like I've been needing to like make sure I'm doing something every single day, and it's felt more of like a chore than just enjoyment. And I don't like that. I don't like that at all. A lot of creators aren't uploading every single day just because YouTube doesn't really favor that anymore, and without getting too deep into the algorithm and analytics and stuff, it's just like almost not worth the daily upload anymore. But I still like to do it because that's what I used to always do, and I like had this like standard set for myself that like I had to always daily upload, and it's been kicking my ass lately. It's been affecting my drive to like work on a car every single day. I don't know what I'm trying to say. I'm going to take a break this weekend. I am leaving tomorrow, which is Friday, and then Saturday and Sunday. I don't know what day this video will go live because I'm filming in advance so that I can at least keep up videos while I'm gone and only have one day off. I'm editing this in Vegas right now. Like, look, here's our view. You can see it from here. And I just want to say, I didn't realize how much I was talking about this, and I feel like I'm just rambling on, but I'm going to keep all of it just because, like, when I recorded it, it was, like, really on my mind, and I'm, like, in mid-vacay right now, so, like, it's not as much on my mind because I'm watching it, and I'm going to stop, but I'm on vacation. It's going pretty nice. We'll get back to the video now. What I just said is kind of reason as to why I brought in an in-house filmer, and we've been kind of testing with that and seeing what it's like to have someone film videos for us and then edit them for us. And we've been liking that, and a lot of feedback from you guys, which has been pretty awesome. So I appreciate you guys telling us what you like. We might be testing out one more filmer, one more editor. I'm not quite sure yet. One thing that I do notice is that I do really like filming the videos, but it would really help if I had someone edit the videos for me, especially if we did daily uploads. So I think we might be playing around with someone editing the videos and then having someone film our videos like 2 to 3 times a week and doing an equal balance of like vlogging with me and then having someone film me and Calvin. I'm not quite sure. I don't really know what I want to do yet, but I noticed I want to do something. And I think that's one of the reasons why I just like haven't finished the Supra yet, is just because I don't want to work on the car every single day. It's been feeling like a chore, and I don't like that. This Supra is only like 4 or 5 days out of work to getting it done, and quite honestly, next week we're gonna go to Rad Industries and just finish it, and he's gonna help us fab it and stuff like that. But what I've missed most is just actually like doing nothing and doing like more what we used to, which was just vlogging, whatever. And we worked on cars on the weekend, we'd film that, but the main thing was like just enjoying the cars in general, and that's more so what I want to focus on today. And this is something I haven't shown you guys in quite a bit. Not really a big install, but it's something I'm very excited about, and it's the steering wheel. The interior of this car is something that I really need to focus on, and I haven't done that quite yet. And literally just on Instagram 10 minutes ago, 15 minutes ago, I literally said, anyone selling a Ford Performance shift knob, please DM me in San Diego because I'm looking to get one. I called like 4 or 5 different Ford dealerships this morning, and nobody carries that in stock. Literally no one. They don't carry any Ford Performance stuff in stock because they said it isn't worth it for them. Whatever that means, Ford. We're still shift knobless, but I'm caving. I'm getting a shift knob. I'm seeing all you guys' DMs just laughing at me because I haven't gotten a shift knob yet. Something that I did get, not Ford Performance, but this is actually from the GT350. So cool. I found a GT350 suede and leather striped steering wheel that will fit with the Mustang. I can still retain all the buttons and the airbag and the horn, and it's just a simple swap. There are 2 holes on the side of the steering wheel that you need to push in and push the springs holding in the airbag. A little bit different than other setups that I've seen. Ford usually has the simplest way figured out. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna push in on the spring. Doing this blind isn't easy. Oh, I can feel it. I need to put you guys down. I should definitely disconnect the airbag, or disconnect the battery. That would have been so bad. All right, I just got the steering wheel out. There are like these retention springs right here. Oops, rip, sorry. There are like these retention springs right here that you push in whatever you want. You can do like an Allen key or whatever. I use an Allen key that's what fit best. But you have to like push these clips in, bend them in on both sides, and then there's like 2 tabs that pull out. I guess it's a pretty simple way, but it just takes a while to figure out how to do it. Now, with the battery disconnected, we're gonna go ahead, take off these clips, and remove the airbag. Be able to, oh, got it. With this old wheel out, we can go ahead and transfer over all the buttons and all the electronics and stuff onto the new wheel and throw the new one back in. Just like that, the wheel is done. Everything clips back in. I don't know if you could see, there's a little gap right here, but if you squeeze it, everything snaps back in. Everything's OEM quality, which is super, super nice about this steering wheel. Alright, now with that installed, we'll reinstall the battery, make sure everything works. And our buttons are working, a million warning lights, but we were able to adjust our radio, turn it up, turn it down. Super simple, and just like that, this is, in my opinion, one of the best mods you can do to this car, because as you guys know, I'm not a fan of a big aftermarket interior. I like things pretty clean, especially if it's mainly a street car, and this is a way to get a way nicer feeling steering wheel. It feels really good on the hand. It's a little bit thicker. You can actually, there's like finger grips right here, and a little flat bottom steering wheel makes it feel kind of racy. I personally like it. It's a big aftermarket touch, and it's relatively cheap for what it is.
You wanna know what's even better than the wheel? The shift knob.
Okay, yes, I already addressed it in the video. I tried getting one. No one on Instagram has one. I was like, anyone has one locally, like, I will buy it from you today. And no one has it. Whoa! In the old shop, we had an air dryer hooked up to our air compressor. And when we moved over here, we didn't transfer it over because someone bought our whole compressor setup off of us. We need an air dryer. Now we're in need of an air dryer because every like week or so, we have to empty out all the water, and there's a lot of buildup over the matter of just a week. Sabrina's about to try to back up this Mustang here.
Supposed to do it daily.
It's taken her quite a long time to figure out how to do it. This is her first time really driving it. This was like Sabrina's dream car. I'm contemplating a wide body kit on this car, but it just looks so good stock body. Let me you guys know what you think we should do. I know you guys are gonna be like, you need to put headers on that car. It will come. It will come. Trust me.
I'll actually be pissed off.
I'm putting it.
No!
Whoa, my God, my ears.
Don't.
It's already in.
No, it's not.
It's live.
I'm telling you, if
because
you do.
we're going to Vegas tomorrow, we're leaving the shop just a little bit early because I gotta pack, and Sabrina takes 8 hours to pack.
Oh, please.
It's true.
You take 8 hours to get ready, to pack, to do anything. Because you're a...
Look at this wheel.
It's a great wheel.
I'm hyped on this wheel, dude. It's so cool. The driving experience
Wait, but what is cooler than the wheel?
Oh, this is
the shift knob.
Okay, you almost just smacked the lens on it. I tried to get one today, but no Ford dealership had it in stock. So I mean, yeah, honestly, I've just felt kind of run down these last couple weeks. There's so much going on, and doing everything non-stop just takes a toll on you. And this weekend, we're all going out to Vegas and kind of just enjoying the time. Super, super excited about it. Excited to kind of get away. I read the comments on yesterday's video when I kind of talked about potentially getting rid of the RX-7. There were a lot of people who were really upset about me saying that. And kind of today, the next project kind of got solidified. Not 100%, but we kind of laid some groundwork. I'll give you guys a small hint. This is actually probably more than a small hint. Well, we're fighting to get one as soon as possible, and our intentions are going to be something that you guys like to say this channel is known for with the car. And if all that goes according to plan, we should have it at SEMA for its debut, and we might be able to bring another car to bring with that car to SEMA. I may have just spilled the beans completely, or maybe that was a little conspicuous to the point of where you guys won't really understand what I said, but nonetheless, I'm gonna jump on, play some Apex, play some games. The boys are already on there. I already did some research and I read some of your guys' comments about doing a racing sim right here. I'm looking at a whole bunch of stuff right now, but I'm gonna tune out for the next couple hours, play a little bit of games.
Mr. Far from the mic.
Hello!
Hello.
You guys ready to play some games?
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
I'm ready. Kevin's bad, so we might want to find another third.
No, I'm
I
not.
can't play for long.
3:28 a.m.
Oh, can you guys even see me right now? I don't even think you can see me. I just played games for way too long. I checked out. It was amazing. I'm super tired right now. For some reason, I had like a terrible, terrible stomachache. I'm gonna go to bed. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in a couple days.